What is everyone? Hope so all of doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use clone applications or dual apps on your Xiaomi Mi 11T or 11T Pro. First of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to enable dual Facebook Messenger, Instagram or any application, or to create clone application of any application on your Mi 11T or 11T Pro, first of all just tap on settings and do the same as I'm showing you in this video.